Hey there guys, how's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is the Equate tear-free nighttime baby bath. Yeah, the tear-free nighttime baby bath. I like this. It's a kind of a cheaper brand than I normally would buy for my kid, but it seems like it works just the same as the higher up there brands. I would say this time baby bath kind of helps to soothe the baby after the bath. I mean, during the bath, I mean, you're washing your baby and, you know, he gets all the lather and the bubbles going, and you wash his hair and his skin and everything. You get him nice and clean. And it's all kind of a playful kind of experience every night when you're doing that, right? There's something in the formula of soap here that soothes the baby. It probably is in the fragrance, because the fragrance helps. I mean, it kind of smells kind of relaxing in a way. It smells like baby stuff, you know. But I think it's in the smell. But there's something about it that, you know, after you wash your kid with this, he kind of feels like he's ready to relax and go to bed. I mean, not to the extreme, like he's taking a sleeping pill or something like that, but it just seems like he gets a little bit more relaxed. Now, I'm not sure if it's from a lot of the heat or whatever from the water or what, but after the bath using this, just seems like he wants to lay down and, you know, and just, you know, get relaxed and ready for bed, you know. And I am not sure the reason why, but I'm just kind of guessing that it's because of the smell, and it just soothes them. And I don't know, it does help, especially if the baby is kind of fussy and, like, you know, irritated, you know, give them a bath using this stuff and it calms them down. Yeah. And feel free to wash his hair or his face or anything with this, because if it gets in his eyes accidentally, it won't burn. I did that once, not thinking about burning factor from a different brand, and oh boy, you do not want to deal with a baby that has irritated eyes from soap, because one, it's really hard to get it out, because they're not going to let you freely rinse their eyes out, you know. You kind of have to, you know, you're rubbing it and you're putting the towels on there, and they're crying because they're in pain, and it's all your fault. You know, you have to really be careful. So it's very necessary to get a baby bath. Soap will, you know, have no tears involved. You know, you have to, the tear-free kind is the way to go. There's just no way around it, because you will pay dearly for a while until you do get that. So yeah, this smells really good, and it soothes the baby very, very nicely. Dermatologists and pediatricians, I should say, tested this, and, you know, they think it's good too. So it's really, really good. It's really, really nice. I've used this for a while. My youngest son is 3 now, and I used it on him and his older brother when he was younger too, and they both reacted the same way. They both liked it. There was no issue about it. I still use it on my 3-year-old because it's just a good cleansing agent. You know, he's not a baby anymore, but he likes it, and so do I. So yeah, it's really, really good for babies. So I mean, I recommend this. It will make your fussy little guy or girl soothe down and calm down and get very ready for his little night of sleep. It really is good. I wasn't going to actually buy this one, but I was trying to save some money. I was just going to take a chance on it, and I did, and it worked out. So yeah, it is a nice alternative to the more expensive brand. So yeah, you guys use this information. This is the Equate Baby Nighttime Baby Bath. Yeah, hope you guys use this, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.